morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today it is Wednesday and I thought I would do, actually, is it Wednesday? It's Thursday. It's Thursday. And today I thought I would do a what I ate today video. I was actually just gonna do like a weekly vlog, but I'm honestly just spending so much time studying at the moment, so I thought I would do a good old what I ate today video instead. But I just got some oatmeal. And then I'm going to top it with this protein powder. It's chocolate flavored, some natural peanut butter, and a banana. And I also have been sipping on my lemon water all morning. Well, look, it doesn't look like the most appetizing thing in the world, but I'm sure it's going to taste great. And the other thing I should probably mention as well is I'm going to try and go back to writing the macros and calories and stuff for you guys, because yeah, I just find it really helpful, and I've been slowly learning how to track my food because I want to be able to help you guys when I'm a qualified personal trainer. I also want to help with nutrition and that type of thing as well. So I'm kind of like my own guinea pig and trying to teach myself all of the ins and outs of macro counting and stuff like that. So I've kind of been doing that with most of my meals. So for breakfast, we have 30 grams of protein, 53 grams of carbs, 9 fiber, and 17 fat. So that's a pretty balanced meal. There's a good amount of carbs, good amount of protein, and a little bit of fat to keep me full, and it's 490 calories. So with me, because my calories for the day are around 2,000, I generally like to have 4 meals that equal around 500, or my 3 main, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner will be around like the 500 to 600 mark, and then my snacks might be a little bit less, but it honestly just depends on the day. But I try to eat around 2,000 calories, and as summer rolls around, I might actually do a little bit of a deficit just to, you know, shred down for summer. But if I do that, I kind of want to do like a shreddy series. I think Grace Fit UK, is that her handle? I think it is. She did like a shreddy summer shreddy or shreddy summer or something like that. And it was such a good series to watch, and she like showed you all her meals that were like calorie and macro friendly so that she could lose a little bit of weight for summer. So I think I'm going to do that in the next month or so, like when we get closer to summer, because right now I still have a little bit of, you know, winter pudge. So yeah, I might do that. But yeah, they are the macros and calories for breakfast number 1. Not breakfast number 1, meal number 1. Alright guys, so it's now time for lunch, and I've just got a meal prep that I made on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. So I made these chicken meatballs with zucchini noodles, or zoodles as people like to call them. I was actually originally wanting to make turkey meatballs, but Woolies had already sold out of turkey and I just wasn't feeling beef. So I tried chicken mince for the first time ever. It kind of grossed me out, like I did not think I'd like it, but these actually turned out really good. So yeah, I think I put, what did I put in it? I had 500 grams of chicken mince, some almond meal, an egg, and then basically whatever herbs and spices you like. And then I topped it with some pasta sauce. You could probably just use like diced tomatoes or something to make it like a tiny bit healthier in a way, but I don't like tomatoes, so usually if something requires like adding diced tomatoes, I just use like pasta sauce. So yeah, and it tastes so good. So I'm just gonna heat this up and enjoy this for lunch. So I made up a batch of peanut butter protein balls the other day, so I'll probably have about 2 of these, and I'm pretty sure I tracked it in MyFitnessPal, so I'll write up the baba. Hey, Oreo's just meowing. So I'll write up the macros on the screen, but yeah, these have been my snacks for the day. Hey guys, so we are back from the gym now, and we are cooking up some dinner.
Storm.
A storm. What are you making?
Sweet potato fries.
Some potato chips, as usual, and chicken. I'm sure half of you guys probably could have guessed, unless you're new to our channel, or my channel. I don't know why I said our. I do all the work here. And then we're going to marinate it with this Nando's lemon and herb marinade. I've been really craving Nando's lately. I had it, I think like 2 or so weeks ago, and ever since I've been dying for it. So that's kind of like the vibe we're going for tonight. So,
whoa.
let me just,
Am I getting ahead of myself?
well, I have to wait weigh it out because I just do. Hold on guys, just gonna weigh out the chips for you. 157 grams. Okay, off you go. Let me type.
Oh, you're saying boy.
He's so cute. Yeah, so Andy is making up the sweet potato chips right now. And then we're going to cut up the chicken and let it marinate in this sauce. I think most marinades you're meant to like let it sit for like overnight. But we don't have that much time. So...
no time in this kitchen.
No time in this kitchen. So I think just letting it sit for like half an hour should be okay. And then we're going to have some corn on the cob with it because you can't
check we have some?
Oh, I did not. Uh-oh.
Oh.
We have one.
It's alright to come in there.
We have one corn on the cob. Shotgun.
Okay.
We do have peas and corn. It would Nando's has peas and corn. I reckon that would still give it the same kind of Nando's vibe.
Yeah.
So we'd have peas and corn. I feel like that's such a like kid vegetable to have. But anyway, what did I say those potatoes weighed? 157 grams. Divide that by 2 though.
It's a tricky one.
157 divided by 2 equals 78.5. So we got 67 calories of that. Then we're gonna weigh the chicken. And then I'll weigh the sauce and the corn and peas, and I'll let you guys know what the macro breakdown is for that. We also just had protein shakes as well because we got back from the gym. Did I say we went to the gym? I don't know if we did, but we went to the gym. We kind of did a really quick leg session. I think, what did we do in the end? 30 minutes? 40 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go with 40.
40. Because I'm a good girlfriend and I bought Andy the PS4, PlayStation 4 for his birthday. Well, his family helped me as well. So we went to the shops to get him some games. So we kind of like wasted a little bit of time. Oh, and we got a digital, what are they called? Digital body scale analyzer. I know this is a what I ate today vlog, but I'm turning it into like an everyday vlog, my bad. But I want to go measure myself and see like my bone density and my muscle mass and that kind of thing. So maybe I'll go set up that, we'll weigh ourselves, and then when dinner's ready, I'll show you guys. So I just did my measurements on the scale and it's hooked up to my phone. So by the way, this is obviously not sponsored. This scale was from Kmart and it was only 30 bucks, which is super cheap because most of these scales can sometimes cost like $100 to $200. So yeah, bargain. There's also like a $20 one I believe, but it didn't have the Bluetooth functionality. So yeah, whichever you choose. But if you guys are keen on getting like a scale, so it tells you obviously your weight, your BMI, so your body mass index, your body fat percentage, your water percentage, water weight, there we go. Your muscle mass, your bone density, your BMR and your AMR. So it's pretty cool. So what does mine say? So mine says I'm 53.4 kilograms. I obviously am like wearing all my clothes as well, so just depends what time of the day you do it and if you like want to be wearing clothes or not, but it's suggested that you weigh yourself at the same time every time. So if you're going to weigh yourself in like say a month's time, you would weigh yourself at night time, like at this kind of time of the day. Most people weigh themselves in the morning though, because then you weigh less, so again, up to you. But my body fat percentage is 18.5%, which is in the normal range, but it's on like the brink of being in the low range, so my bad. My hydration is in the normal to high range. I don't know if that's good. Does that mean like...
Yeah, it means you're well hydrated.
Okay, that's good. My muscle mass is in the high range, so it's only just though on the brink. So it's 40% and the range is like from 39 onwards is high. So it means I'm strong. My bone density is 5.1%. I don't know what the ranges are there, so I don't know if that's good or bad or what. My BMR, so basal metabolic rate, is 13,086. 13,000, 1,300, wow. So that's like the amount of calories my body needs at just like rest. And then my AMR, I'm not actually sure what that stands for, maybe activity metabolic rate, but it's the amount of calories my body needs when I'm doing physical exercise, which is 1830. So that's pretty much why I eat around 1800 to 2000 calories a day, because that is what pretty much my body requires. And especially if you do like strength training or just like intense workouts at the gym and that kind of thing, you definitely need more calories in your system. So that's so cool. I feel like I'm in a good healthy range. I do want to up my muscle mass, even though it's already like in the higher rank, but like I want to get it even higher, you know? So yeah, are you gonna do yours now?
Yep.
Let's test this kid.
Shit.
So dinner is ready now. We just have, well, I have the corn on the cob, peas and corn, chicken, and sweet potato chips. So that is what our dinner looks like tonight. And I just thought I'd quickly run through the calorie breakdown for today. How do I do that? Nutrients, there we go. So my total calories for the day were 1800 and my goal is 2080, so I technically have 200 to go. I might have a scoop of Halo Top or something after dinner, but it's already quite late, like it's 9:30 already, so who knows, we'll just see how we go. But for the actual macro breakdown, so I had 144 grams of protein, 144 grams of carbs, that's so weird, they were even, 71 grams of fat, bless you, and 27 fiber. So I met my fiber goal. I went 2 grams over on the fat, which is not anything bad, and I still had 64 grams of carbs to go and 12 grams of protein. So I usually find it really hard to meet my protein goal though, so I'm pretty proud that I actually managed to get quite close. So that is my food for the day. If you guys enjoyed this What I Ate Today video, then please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below, and we will see you guys probably in the next weekly vlog. Bye.